Hey beautiful! Did you know that some of the best beauty secrets are hiding right in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right! Your pantry and fridge are treasure troves of natural ingredients that can work wonders for your skin. It's true, you don't need expensive products to get that radiant glow. Sometimes the simplest ingredients can have the most profound effects on your skin. Today, I'm sharing 12 super easy DIY face masks that will leave your skin feeling amazing. These masks are not only effective but also fun to make. And the best part? They're made with ingredients you probably already have at home. Imagine turning everyday items into luxurious skincare treatments. Stay tuned because these masks are game changers. They can help with everything from hydration to acne control and even anti-aging. And you won't believe how simple they are to make. With just a few steps, you can create a spa-like experience right at home. And hey, if you're loving these beauty tips, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Your support means the world to me. Now let's get started on our journey to flawless skin. These masks are going to transform your skincare routine. Are you ready? Let's go! Grab your ingredients and let's dive into the world of homemade beauty. First up, we have a classic combination that's been a beauty secret for ages: honey and lemon. Honey attracts and locks in moisture, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Lemon is a natural brightening agent that helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey with half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply a thin layer to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be soft, supple, and glowing. This next mask is like a mini spa treatment for your face, featuring avocado and oatmeal. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that deeply nourish and moisturize your skin. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliator that helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Mash half a ripe avocado and add 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate. Your skin will thank you. Now, let's talk about a mask that's perfect for calming and soothing irritated skin: the turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric has incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Yogurt is a natural probiotic powerhouse that's soothing and hydrating. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel soothed, calmed, and glowing. Ready for a mask that's so hydrating it's like a tall drink of water for your skin? Let's talk about the banana and honey mask. Bananas are packed with potassium, which helps to moisturize and plump up the skin. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into your skin. Mash half a ripe banana and add 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be soft, hydrated, and radiant. Let's talk about a mask that's like a refreshing oasis for your skin: the aloe vera and cucumber mask. Aloe vera is known for its incredible soothing, cooling, and healing properties. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and helps to reduce puffiness. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel with grated cucumber juice. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, including the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel refreshed, hydrated, and radiant. Ready for a mask that will tighten, brighten, and minimize pores? Let's talk about the egg white and lemon mask. Egg whites help to temporarily tighten and tone the skin. Lemon is a natural source of vitamin C, which helps to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Whisk 1 egg white until frothy and add half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will feel tighter, brighter, and refreshed. Let's talk about a mask that will gently exfoliate, brighten, and reveal your most radiant skin: the papaya and honey mask. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which gently dissolves dead skin cells. Honey helps to lock in moisture and soothe inflammation. Mash half a cup of ripe papaya and add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate. Your skin will be soft, smooth, and glowing. Ready for a mask that's packed with antioxidants? This mask is not just any ordinary skincare product. It's a powerhouse of natural ingredients that work wonders for your skin. Let's talk about the green tea and honey mask. This dynamic duo combines the best of nature to give your skin a radiant glow. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that protect the skin from free radical damage. These antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and redness, making your skin look calm and refreshed. Honey's humectant properties keep the skin hydrated and plump. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to clear up acne and prevent future breakouts. Steep 1 green tea bag in half a cup of hot water, let it cool, and add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. This mixture not only smells amazing, but also feels incredibly soothing on the skin. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, including the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the mask to deeply penetrate and nourish your skin. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. This step ensures that all the mask residue is removed, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. Your skin will be revitalized, hydrated, and glowing. The combination of green tea and honey works together to give you a complexion that's not only beautiful, but also healthy. Your skin will be revitalized, hydrated, and glowing. Enjoy the natural benefits and see the difference for yourself. Let's talk about a mask that will energize, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin. The coffee and coconut oil mask. Coffee is a natural exfoliant that helps to slough away dead skin cells. Coconut oil is deeply nourishing and moisturizing. Mix 1 tablespoon of finely ground coffee with 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and gently massage in circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be soft, smooth, and radiant. Ready for a mask that will brighten, exfoliate, and leave your skin feeling oh so soft? Let's talk about the strawberry and yogurt mask. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C and AHAs, which gently exfoliate dead skin cells. Yogurt is a natural probiotic powerhouse that helps to balance the skin's pH levels. Mash 3 to 4 ripe strawberries and add 1 tablespoon of plain unsweetened yogurt. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be refreshed, brightened, and glowing. Let's talk about a mask that's perfect for sensitive skin. The oatmeal and milk mask. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that helps to slough away dead skin cells without irritation. Milk is a natural source of lactic acid, which helps to brighten the skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, including the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be soft, supple, and radiant. Finally, let's talk about a mask that will detoxify, purify, and hydrate your skin, the charcoal and aloe vera mask. Activated charcoal draws out dirt, oil, and toxins from deep within your pores. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents. Mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin will be clean, refreshed, and radiant. So there you have it. Beautiful. 12 amazing DIY face masks that will transform your skin and leave you glowing from within. Each mask is designed to target specific skin concerns, from hydration to acne control, ensuring that you can find the perfect match for your skin type. Remember, beautiful skin starts with taking care of yourself, both inside and out. This means not only applying the right products, but also maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and practicing mindfulness can all contribute to that radiant glow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about the latest skincare trends, product reviews, and DIY beauty hacks. And if you try out any of these masks, be sure to let me know in the comments below how they worked for you. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me create content that you love and find useful. I love hearing from you. Your comments and messages inspire me to keep sharing my passion for skincare and beauty. Whether it's a success story or a question, don't hesitate to reach out. If you liked this video, you should check out this next video here that tells you about the top 10 healthy foods you should have in your kitchen. These foods not only benefit your skin, but also your overall health, making you feel as good as you look. Until next time, stay beautiful. Keep glowing and remember, beauty starts from within. Take care of yourself, and your skin will thank you.